Beautiful
Thank you
smile.
so
It
much.
radiates.
Thank
All
you.
right. Sonu, I would like to know your perspective about self-love. So please, if you could guide us, if you can take us through your perspective about self-love.
Sure, Priyanka. Thank you so much. And since morning, I'm getting so much energy that the self-love perspective of mine has grown within me. Okay. The first thing that I would like to tell is, and seeing you and you talking like a pro, I must say that you have such lovely experience. And with your academy, when you told that use this method and you were so much giving. So when can a person be giving? A person can only be giving when he has within himself so much to give. And what do you give to the world? You share your knowledge that can be restrained. You can share your skill that can be learned. But sharing love can only be done by people who are actually lovable to themselves. People have a perspective that self-love is selfish. I said, no, never. Self-love can never be selfish because until and unless you learn to love your own self, you actually can't spread the love and positivity to the entire world. And this world does not need ज्ञान. दुनिया में लोगों को ज्ञान नहीं चाहिए. दुनिया में लोगों को नॉलेज नहीं चाहिए. गूगल बाबा है, वो सब देते हैं. दुनिया में लोगों को चाहिए सिर्फ एक चीज, प्यार एंड शांति, दैट इज पीस. तो इफ मेजर साहब ने बोला कि इंडो चाइना वॉर पे बोलो, तो मेरा सबसे पहला लाइन वही आया था वहीं पे कि अगर चाइना में प्यार होता तो हमें प्यार मिलता, कोरोना नहीं मिलता. और अगर इंडिया में जितना प्यार है, इसलिए हमने बॉर्डर पे शायद उनके जवानों को ऐवी छोड़ दिया सिर्फ मार पीट के, रादन की उनको अपने पास नहीं रखा. We give credit, like if I say India itself has so much love within themselves, as we Indians are, we have so much love within them, within ourselves, that we really don't hesitate to give this love to the world. So चाहे दुनिया में जितने भी गुरुज हैं, चाहे दुनिया में जितने भी motivational speakers हैं who are at the international platform, are only because of their selfless love that they want to give. यहाँ ऑथर शेरी है, यहाँ गौरव जैन है, यहाँ आसिफ है, यहाँ प्रियंका है, यहाँ संगीता जी है, यहाँ मेरे इतने सारे फ्रेंड्स हैं जिनके साथ आई एम डूइंग दिस कोर्स. And I must say, each one of us have so much self-love within that we are not at all hesitant to give it to the world. So self-love can never be selfish. So get out of it, first and foremost. That is my perspective. You should always love yourself. Now, loving yourself means accepting yourself in every form that you are. In every form, the color that you have, the hair that you have, the eyes that you have, the body that you have, the knowledge that you have, the skill that you have, the perspective that you have towards others. And this can only grow. Once you start accepting yourself as you are, as a person, as a human, you will be able to accept in the entire world. एंड सेल्फ लव का मतलब ये नहीं कि आप बस खुद से ही प्यार करो, मैं तो अपनी फेवरेट हूँ बस, उसके अलावा कोई नहीं. नो, आई डोंट टॉक ऑफ दैट काइंड ऑफ अ सेल्फ लव. यस, यू शुड ऑलवेज हैव दैट कि मैं अपनी ऑफ कोर्स फेवरेट हूँ, बट गिविंग इक्वल रिस्पेक्ट टू ईच पीपल इन दिस अरीना दैट यू हैव, चाहे वो आपसे ऊपर हो, चाहे वो आपसे नीचे हो, चाहे वो आपका पैरेलल हो. You have to give the equal respect and equal love to each one of them, because then only you have reached that pinnacle of self-love, I must say. The day you start seeing it, that yes, everybody over here is equal, you become humane. You become humane, you start giving back to the society without any expectation. So until and unless you have that self-love within you to take care of yourself, your mind, body, and soul. So that means exercise well, love yourself, pamper yourself to the most, and then you will see a beautiful world around you. Whatever is there in the world, कितनी भी negativity हो, कितना भी कोरोना हो, हम ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग करके भी उतने ही खुश होते हैं जितना हम मार्केट में जाके होते हैं. So thank you so much. That was my perspective on self-love, and I would like to say that yes, मैं अपनी favorite जरूर हूँ, but then each one of you over here are special within your own unique self. Thank you so much.
Wow, lovely. क्या बात है सोनू जी, वेरी वेरी नाइस. और यू बीन एन वेरी एक्टिव पार्टिसिपेंट. आपने सारे टॉपिक्स के बारे में भी कुछ कुछ जिक्र किया और सेल्फ लव के बारे में इतना अच्छा बोला. एंड अ कॉम्प्लीमेंट फॉर यू. आई स्टिल रिमेंबर जब आप पहले आए थे एमएस टॉक्स के प्लेटफॉर्म में, और आज जो आए हैं, जबरदस्त कॉन्फिडेंस आपका इंप्रूव हुआ है. सो कुडोस टू यू.
आपसे सीख रहे हैं.
Yeah, Gaurav, can I add?
Yeah, please.
And not to forget, this is possible because you have surrounded yourself with the right people, and
True.
you have got some guidance through MS Talk, and I'm very, very certain about it. That has really added a lot of new perspective change, and you're able to explain so beautifully. Proud of you.
Thank you so much, Priyanka. Thank you so much.
Very
That
nice,
was
huh?
really
Other Cherry, you are actually making the success stories now. You
Exactly.
see,
Yeah.
the success stories are
Exactly.
coming up. All credit to you and the vision.
And
No,
this
no,
is
I would
something-
like to say, Ali bhai, pehle aap bolo.
नहीं आप बोलिए शरी भाई please.
See, I would like to say, as far as credits goes, I think credit goes to Sonu herself. She has been really hardworking, and she has been really resilient about the fact that she wants to improve. और अगर कोई डिसाइड कर लेता है कि मुझे इम्प्रूव होना है, तो फिर वो इम्प्रूव होके रहता है. तो इट इज ऑल हर एफर्ट्स. और मुझे तो बहुत खुशी है कि आज इतने बड़े प्लेटफॉर्म पे सोनू ने जिस तरह से परफॉर्मेंस किया. आई एम रियली हैप्पी.